So in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing how much money I've earned on my channel. Now, this is something I never thought I'd actually be able to do while making YouTube videos, and before I could get to 1,000 subscribers and get monetization. I'm so happy I have. But for now, I can't actually earn the money. What I can do is keep making more videos, getting higher views, so I can get the granted $100 in a month. Now, as you can see here at this point, I'm at 1,728 subscribers, which is actually quite surprising because if you can see here, my uploads have been very slow. I haven't been able to upload videos because of school. I'm still pushed for time, but I'm getting through it. And even with, as I said, these slow uploads, I'm getting good subscribers and I'm getting good views. Now, what's surprising me is this video right here. This is actually doing quite well. It's over 32,000 views, getting great view ratios, getting good monetization, but the only problem is it doesn't get 10 minutes. But that's kind of a regret for me, but at the same time I don't really care. Like, it is a regret because if I had these all at 10 minutes, I could have had $100 in a month. But at the same time, I don't want to bore you by lengthening out the video with useless garbage in between. So yeah, this is short and to the chase. Now, how about we actually go and have a look at my statistics? Okay, so here it is. Now we can see that I've had 58,000 views in the last 28 days, which isn't bad. As you've seen, it's gone up and down, kind of at a lower point now because I haven't uploaded anything in this part. Also, the watch time spiked there, slowly going down. Subscribers, it's spiking, going down, but it's actually getting good growth even though I haven't uploaded these videos. Now, the literal money maker. This is my monetization money, and usually I'm getting around $2 a day. That's on a good day / bad day, kind of in the in-between. As you can see here, I'm getting $4 in this day alone, but in this one over here, I'm getting $1.76 because my views are going up and down. But yeah, this is the money I've earned in the last 28 days, $75.58. Now, the only bad thing about this is that I can't actually retrieve this money. As I said, I need to have $100 in a month, which this is not. I can't get my money yet, so I need to upload more, get my views higher around here, as you can see, and then I'll be able to hopefully get $100 in a month. Now, I thought I'd actually showcase some statistics with my revenue out of the 28 days because it's actually quite cool seeing the full amount of revenue I've earned over the lifetime of this channel. Now, because I've got money for monetization over a month, it'll showcase even more money. So how about we look at that? And there we go. You can see that I've earned $111.15 all up over my channel. Sadly, I can't get this money. It's okay. I'm not going, I want the money, give it to me now. But I'm just happy that I'm actually earning something from it. Now, yes, $111. That's not too bad for doing pretty much nothing. I just upload videos, got approved for monetization, and bam, I'm getting money from it. But yeah, that is it, really. This is the monetization money I've got. As you can see, right, this part here was where I started to get approved. Then the next day, I actually got the first bit of money, which was 76 cents, funnily enough, tiny. And then I started to go up, and then it went up again. And this was a really good point of my channel, but then I was pushed for time, so I couldn't make as many videos, so my monetization has gone down again. But that's okay, I'm fine with not being able to earn any money yet. Also, I need to set up my account so it goes to my current property, my address, but I shouldn't really do that now because in a few months I'll be moving into a brand new house, so I don't want to mix up the Google AdSense. But before we end, how about we look at my best performing videos because there's a few of them. Now, we can immediately see this video right here getting great views. As you can see, 760 in the last 48 hours. This video alone is getting such good views. Now, we've got this one from the Crew 2. I thought it would drop off in views drastically, but it hasn't, which I'm quite surprised about. But yeah, I'll take it. Now, we've also got this Chroma Hills resource pack. It's getting 225 views in the last 48 hours. Not too bad, I'm happy. I wanted to make this video alone so I could get consistent views, which it actually has. Now, we've got this other Minecraft one here. Yeah, you'll see a lot of Minecraft here because it's made this huge resurgence and it's doing great for my channel. But anyway, you can see that this one is doing well. I made these kind of videos for longevity reasons because they will always get good views because they are always high searched. so it means consistent views for my channel, and I'll always get money from them. Now as we go down a little further, you can see slowly going off more Forza content than Minecraft, but yeah, all this is getting me money. I've also had 3,682 views in the last 48 hours. I was actually going over 4,000 views for a short period of time, but since I'm not uploading, it's dying down, but still, I'm so happy with this. Anywho, I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. This was a little video showcasing how much revenue I've earned, and here's the max, yes, $111 and counting higher as we speak. So yeah, I'll see you guys later in my next video. Make sure to subscribe for more content just on my channel, gaming, car events and more. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and peace.